Hidro-Water's reverse osmosis systems are designed to efficiently produce a wide quality range of pure or processed water for either commercial or industrial applications. These systems remove between 95 and 99% of total dissolved salts from the feed water, producing the desired water quality for various applications. Only high-quality components and parts are used, assuring the long lifespan of each system. The RO systems are designed in-house at our Global Design Centre. The designs are regularly updated to incorporate new features and innovative technologies. Manufacturing process of all RO systems comply with the ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management Certification. Apart from tailor-made RO plants, Hidro-Water also provides a broad range of standardised RO systems manufactured in Europe. All RO systems have engineered compacts and robust design. Its modular or containerised version provides easy shipping, quick installation and connection, immediate commissioning and easy maintenance. Hidro-Water offers a wide range of models and sizes of the system, but always with the latest generation equipment and components, and always focused on delivering solutions beyond customers' expectations. This system is well accepted on the market, with thousands of installations worldwide at various applications. This system, together with our effective consulting, technical and after-sales services, and professional approach, provide genuine solutions.